Thursday morning and I'm out of the house. I'm running errands for my mom. Good morning. Please, I want water.
For
that house with black gate.
I mean,
how do you sell it?
10 to 2.
Sir?
From 10 upward.
Okay, how much is 10?
2002.
Hi guys, so I still have a lot of errands to do or to run this week because it's the beginning of a new month and I need to stock up on things that we finish using. A lot of those things would include my body care products and all of that, and some food items too that we've run out of. So I'm sitting down here with my note and paper, just trying to go through everything, and I'm also trying to do a general appraisal for my YouTube channel, see how much success I've been able to make the past month of May, and also a general appraisal for my life. Yeah, that's basically what I'm doing, and I'll catch you guys later when I'm up to some other interesting stuff. Bye. Hi guys, so I quickly dropped by the office. We've been working, we've been doing some sort of renovation, not some, major renovation in the studio, and I'm here to see the work that has already been done and how everything is going. I've not been here present, but I'm here now, so I'm just going to flip the camera and show you guys. I hope you can hear me. I'll show you guys what is going on.
You are like a garden. Who you are is what you grow. Started with a seed, then carefully nurture it year after year. Watch it slowly changing with the seasons. Braving through the drought and cold. It all happens with the reason. Cause one day your buds turn to blossoms and they all say, wow, look at her now. Can't even walk outside without the sweetness of her scent around. Can't stop her now. Planted her roots deep in the ground. Like magnolias in the spring, I open up my petals to the sky, soaking in the watercolors I bloom. And even if it takes some time, well, flowers never rush to grow.
Hi guys, so it's Friday. Good morning everyone. I have more errands to run today, so I'll be visiting a couple of supermarkets, some of my favorites, because some have what I want and some don't, and I really hope that they have all I want, because I do not want to order anything online because I want to buy this product and use them immediately. Okay, so first off, we are stocking the house first with food items. So I and my mom will be going to a store that's close by to the house, then I'll go into town and in search for the other products I intend to buy. So I'm going to take you guys along with me, and
you are like a garden. Who you are is what you grow. Started with a seed, then carefully nurture it year after year. Watch it slowly changing with the seasons. Braving through the drought and cold. It all happens with the reason. Cause one day your buds turn to blossoms and they all say, wow, look at her now. Can't even walk outside without the sweetness of her scent around. Can't stop her now. Planted her roots deep in the ground. Like magnolias in the spring, I open up my petals to the sky, soaking in the watercolors I bloom. And even if it takes some time, well, flowers never rush to grow divine. Patiently in watercolors they bloom, they bloom. Every other garden you come across along the way will look a little different. Remember that every flower grows in her own way, and just because a snowdrop.
Hey everybody, what's up? So I couldn't get what I was looking for at Market Square, so I'm visiting Hallmark so that I can check what they have. Hopefully they have the moisturizers and the face wash that I'm looking for.
Blossoms in the winter, it doesn't mean an orchid won't rise from the ground, and then everybody will say, wow, look at her now. Can't even walk outside without the sweetness of her scent around. Can't stop her now, planting her roots deep in the ground. Like magnolias in the spring, I open up my petals to the sky, soaking in the watercolors like blue. And even if it takes some time, well, flowers never rush to grow divine. Patiently in watercolors they bloom. Grow your garden, baby. Grow it slow and grow it right. Grow your garden, baby. Bloom, just bloom. Water your garden, baby. Water it, cover it in light. Water your garden, baby. Bloom, just bloom. Grow your garden, baby. Grow it slow and grow it right. Grow your
You guys, so I just finished buying everything and I'm currently on my way back home. Hey guys, so I'm back home and I'm so tired, like I'm literally exhausted. My whole body hurts. So I really want to show you guys some of the things that I got, like up close, like a little unboxing. I don't know if this is even relevant, but I am excited to show you some of the new skincare products I got. I've been raving about getting, or I've been procrastinating about getting a sunscreen. I finally got one. I really hope it works and it doesn't break me out. Alright, so yes guys, let me just show you basic things I got for the house. Tissue. I always get this tissue paper, like this set, because I feel like they last longer and they're so inexpensive. I think this set's like 400 naira or so. Trash bag, heavy duty refuse sack. This one, we already run out of this one, so I decided to restock it. I don't know how much this is, but I know it's less than 1,000 naira. I got some detergents that we always use in this house, so we always buy like the roll because we don't do a lot of heavy washing or whatever. So wow, I always buy this one, so I just get the roll like this and it comes in 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 4. Okay, yeah. And I think I got this wow for 750 naira. But this seems to be like 400 or 500. Now it's 750 naira. The heavy duty waste is 500 naira. The tissue, yeah, the tissue is 450 naira. And what else did I get? I also got Harpic. I always use Harpic, especially this color. I don't like that green one. It used to make my skin curl. This blue one is just perfect for the toilets. It keeps it clean. And yeah, it does the job. We're using it. This thing has been around for a long time. I've been using it particularly for this house for a long time. I got this for 1,200 naira. So on Monday is going to be my mom's birthday on Monday, and yeah, I don't know what I'm planning or what I want to do for her, but I don't have a lot of money to like throw a party or anything, but I want to make her feel special because she has been amazing to me. So I was at Hallmark today and I picked up this cute bag, and it says loveliest mom. I think I got it for like 700 naira. Like it's not so big, but it's something. Then I also got her a non-alcoholic bottle of wine. Gold. This is so cute. Look at that. I think I got it for less than 3,000 naira. So I'm just going to put it in the. I'm going to put it in the bag like this and just give it to her. So I'll be giving her birthday gifts one after the other every day from now to like Monday. So help me God. Right. So I got this cute Dove beauty bar from Market Square. Yeah, I've been using them for about 3 months now. I don't know, like I just absolutely love it for my skin because I've got dry skin. I am a mom, or my entire body is dry, so some of the soap we've been using before is always very dry, and it tends to strip our skin off moisture, and that's not really good for dry skin. So my friend literally put me onto this without her knowing. Hush Dorian, she's always raving about these Dove beauty bar, and I think they have variety of it anyway. So I got two of it. I also got my mom this Pro Age Dove Nourishing Body Care. This is the second bottle I'm getting for her. I absolutely love it. It smells amazing. Like, it's just a really good body moisturizer. It's so good. It's soft, it leaves your skin super soft, and it smells divine. And I think it has a bit of shine to it. One of the major ingredients you see in front is it has AHA, olive oil, and vitamin B3. Like, it's just amazing, and it specifically says for Pro Age. So yeah, and I think this will do a good job at relieving her dry skin and just leaving it soft and moisturized. Great product. This is what I got, this from Hallmark. I got myself this cute hairbrush. It's so beautiful. I absolutely love it. I love it, and I think it's going to be perfect for my hair. Sorry, 1,150 naira. Yes, that's how much I got it. Like, if you need anything, like you're looking for really good stuff and you cannot find it anywhere, I mean, if you're in Benin now, you have to check Hallmark. Like, they stock almost everything you need. Like, you will not find it in any other store, but Hallmark, they do have it. They have it in stores. So I got myself this really cute shower cap. It's so cute. The one I have, if you see it, it's appalling. Like, I don't know why every time I go shopping I never ever remember. So today I put it at the top of my list that as soon as I get there I'll have to pick this one. I got it for 1,400. It's quite pricey. I don't know why, maybe because it looks fancy, but I think it's going to get the job done for my hair. Alright, so a while back I was talking about sunscreen. So this is the sunscreen that I got. It's not really expensive. I got this for about 2,100. Yeah. So the very next thing that I was very excited for is this Neutrogena oil-free acne wash. Yeah, if you see my face, I don't know what is going on. It's breaking out so bad, and I currently ran out of my Serum face wash, and I've also been researching about this a lot online, and I've read a lot of good things about it. So yeah, I decided to pick it up, and luckily I got it for 3,000 naira, and originally I think it was sold for 5,000 something. I think I showed you guys a clip of how much it was before. The other thing that I saw that I've been looking at online is the hyaluronic acid deep moisture serum. It's a lightweight non-greasy serum that contains 5% Hyasol ultra moisturizing hyaluronic acid. And two things that it does is fresh, hydrated looking skin and help reduce visible signs of aging, suitable for all skin types. Use morning and night. Apply the serum gently and smooth over face and neck. Well, I really hope it does the job. I was looking at this on 24/11 website, and it was sold for about 3,100 naira. It's so small, you guys, look at that. It is so it's so small. This is my first time ever using a serum. I've never owned any serum at all. I hope I like it, and if I do, I would likely go back and repurchase it. Some other serum are also on my bucket list to get, which is the vitamin C serum. Like, I did a lot of research before I picked up this product exactly, and I loved what I read on there. So yeah, that's it, you guys. Like, I have a lot of receipts and a lot of things here that I need to sort out and put away. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you have any questions for me, please leave them down below in the comment section. If you've used any of this product before, let me know, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Like, share, subscribe, and see you guys. Bye. Mwah.